Hello, today I'm going to show a piece of the TradeNotifier to you guys that I haven't shown before. We're going to be demoing the Telegram integration. So above my screen, I already have the indicator installed and applied to a chart, this chart here. And we're going to be using account 101 for the purposes of the demo. And then we'll walk through how to do the bot token and chat ID. It's a little bit more complicated than the Discord webhook. So first we have to open Telegram, and either you'll have a channel already created or you'll need to create a new channel. In this case, I'll create a new channel. Let's call it test notifier. Keep it public for the link. We'll call it test notifier. Skip inviting people. Awesome. So we have our channel set up. And now we need to create a bot. Using a bot father was very easy. Once you find the bot father, you just do /new bot. It's going to ask a few questions. We'll call it J.A.O. consulting bot. And in this case, we will, oh, well, I guess I could have done that. Test. Oops. Test. Cool. So we have our bot created. We have the key here. This is the key that we're going to use in the notifier. So we'll take that and paste it here. But before anything, we have to get the bot added to the channel and find the channel ID. To get the bot into the new channel, I'm going to go to click on the channel, manage, administrators, and I'm going to write in our bots. And we'll type in the bot's name here. There it is. Make sure they can send messages. We'll just save. There's our bot. Save this. Now we have the bot in the channel, and we just need to get the user or the channel ID. So I'd like to use this ID bot to do that. I'm going to just type in get channel ID. So it pops up this, and then we'll click channel, and we have our test notifier. And then you just type in the name of your channel, and you get the ID right here. So I'm going to copy this, throw it right into the ID input box, click apply, and OK. Now we should be all set. We're going to give it just a test on Sim 101. And you can see that we are integrated. So if I do a few buys, it does look like it takes a second. And I close. So that's how you integrate the TradeNotifier into Telegram. If you guys have any questions or issues setting this up, please reach out to me, let me know. Yeah, hope this is helpful. So I'll see you in the next video.